These are tomatoes that I started from seed inside on a recent video. And today is the day that we're going to put some of these into the ground. Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Moses, and this is Urban Backyard Container Gardening. If this is your first time stopping by, thank you. I appreciate you. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you as well. You guys keep the channel rocking and rolling. In today's video, we're going to plant some of the tomatoes that I started inside my grow room. And the first thing we're going to do is move some of this mulch and leaves out of the bed in the area where we're going to plant. Now, we have three different types. We have a chocolate Tasmanian here. The second one is a Heinz beefsteak tomato. And the third one is a Hilayu. I guess that's how you pronounce it. All of these are determinate tomatoes. And I'm going to put at least 2 in, maybe more. I have to see about room first, but let's get started. As you can see, there's a lot of material here, so we're pulling it out of the way so we can see where we can plant. I think I'm going to put one here next to my emitter that's here. Oh, maybe not. It feels like there's a piece of wood there. Yeah, there is. So let's go on this side, maybe. Okay, and we're going to take our go-to mixture of general purpose tomato fertilizer, bone meal, blood meal, alfalfa pellets, and we're going to drop some into the hole. And going to mix it around. Okay, I think we're going to start with a chocolate Tasmanian. So let's get this one. And we're going to drop it into our hole. And going to backfill. Press down. And just like that, we have one planted. Take this label and put it here for now. And I have a cage that we're going to use. I got these cages off of Bootstrap. And you're just going to press them down into the soil. What do I have over here? Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. And then we're going to take the second piece and put it on top. And just like that, we have our cage locked into place. And we're going to go on the other side here and put one more. I'll meet you there. We were able to get 3 plants in. This is the Halanu. This is the Heinz. And then down there is the chocolate Tasmanian. And I think we did pretty good. Now, I have more tomatoes inside, and I'll probably come out at a later date and plant some more, maybe in this bed or other beds. I have to see as far as space goes. But we're off and running. So I want to thank you for coming along while we planted tomatoes, first of the season. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope it brought a smile to your face, a little joy to your heart. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. What types of tomatoes or varieties of tomatoes are you all planting? I mentioned that I'm planting primarily determinants this year. I have, I think, 2 indeterminates that I will be planting, but they'll be in later videos. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell all. You'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So if you are interested in any of the seeds or anything used in the video, head over to my Amazon storefront or my website. The links for both are in the description portion of the video. Until next time, always remember to give God the thanks. For without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.